ngoba ubona la eSouth Africa kunenkinga kakhulu.
Yeah.
Thina abantu siyafana. Awekho amehluko. Sonke sabantu bamnyama. Nje ngicela ubheke nje indlela abantu bayiyona le ndawo yonke. Andasazi ukuthi singathini bazothini labantu. Uhulumeni wale South Africa akasize lutho. Ngisho bangaphandle la abanikazi balabantu abasize ngoba kugcwele leSouth Africa. Ngoba kugcwele nje la ePark kanje.
Uchazele baba mthi like iprocess yokungena kwemvele la njengoba kukhona amabhoda bathi kuyaskenwa kunama imishini ezinja like
kunjalo vele
nidlule kanjani
each every border when we passing there's a kunomthetho yes awudlule nje umuntu ukhiphe passport yakho uhamba uyofa ukungena laphana but before uye laphana bayakusikana vele bakusikane nalo imoto bahamba kuyo bayasearcha baskine bafake izinto zabo emotweni yabo cheka yonke leyo nto so bonke abantu most balana nje okay yes bakhona la bathi bangena ngokomthetho singavuma but most yabantu banawo ama passport yabo leyo abathotha abantu bangena nama passport but still bahlukumezeka so yeah kumele sihamba ikhonto sizowenza vele abantu abanye nje njengalabhenulu abanye bebeshawa abanye baqoshwa indlela zabo bahambe ama-struggle everywhere.
Yeah.
So ukusuke malawo ukuze la South Africa mhlawumbe udlula amazwe amangaki?
It's two countries like Zimbabwe, Mozambique and Zimbabwe. Then
So why you recommend South Africa than Zimbabwe?
Come again?
Why you recommend ukuthi uzigcine South Africa udlula amazwe ayi-2?
You know singathini kancane nje kakhulukazi singabonga ukuthi South Africa okay fine inomnotho.
Yeah.
And South Africa ukhoma kweqiniso is very right komnotho yabo.
Yeah.
So abantu bazibonela ukuthi kungcono siye khona siyoziphantela impilo yabo. That's why abantu bafika khona la.
Yeah. So wena umsebenzi obuwenza
mina ke nginawami umsebenzi ngikwaziwo especially ebusha ngublock man angazi niyawazi umsebenzi
Yeah.
iyona ngayifundela vele.
Yeah.
So bengizama ukwenza wona kodwa manje angithi uyazi ingqengele simo siyona manje abantu baxosha bangudukisa so kumele sihambe vele.
Yeah.
I think yona issue baba ekumele njena ngafana because abo manje amanje basenihamba kanje angenivele nihlale like why ningafika nabanibisa ne government ukuthi
mfethu imake lento yenzekayo lana ukuthi inkinga siyibonayo lana asikho sidingo sokuthi abantu balusane government ngoba la bantu mfethu bazenzela zabo izinto singabavotela sibafake khona kodwa end of the day noma bahleli lapha badla kamnandi bayakhosenda bayabantu. It's everywhere corruption. Every country there's a corruption.
Yeah.
There's no better country now we can say.
abantu banepower ngaphezu government so why ningahlangani ni approve government.
It's not easy now.
Ubona osho njalo uthe baba kuyabheka because
ngasho ukuthi ke kungcono nina ke lana niyakwazi ukuziwenzela niwenze lento niyenzayo ngoba niyenza nje ukuhlukumezeka abantu kanjena yabo but amanye amazwe le freedom ayikho ukuthi angikwazi ukuhlukumeza abantu ngaphandle kohulumeni uthatha action. Amanye amazwe obviously bazobiza amaphoyisa o amasoja basebenze leyo nto but lana ani na freedom guys shame.
So amaphoyisa anisizile for univikela la mhlawumbe
lana ke kukhona kweqiniso kunezindawo abantu kunamaphoyisa akhona but imost banginqinela abantu bajoyina labantu laba bacosha abantu
amaphoyisa joyina abantu laba
yeah
ngoba siyayibona all over ku internet abantu bayashawa amaphoyisa bakhona and bayikhona la example etown noma bathola umuntu bamshaya nje angawenzanga kwanto ngoba umuntu angaphandle usukabi wena ubani yepha amaphepha uyashawa nje umuntu ungawenzanga kwanto so iyafana nje bese abantu kumele ahambe yabo. Kodwa ke guys thina ke lento sikhalela Africa ngoba Africa ndi iyodwa.
Yeah.
Phela ukuthi sahlukanisa la belungu namanje angazi singathini but la belungu ibona bahlukanisile thina abantu.
But we support Bafana South Africa njengoba iyodlala nephesheya.
It's African, it's the black people like I have to support them.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So
Ngiyafisela ukuthi bawine right.
Yeah, ngiyabafisela ukuthi bawine.
Yeah.
Ngisho noma basizonda bobhuti babo but
yeah,
basuka la kithi Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So abantu bakhala ngemisebenzi ukuthi nibathathele imisebenzi wona
Bethu mamela lapho-ke
bona South Africa maybe bese kuqhamuka umuntu wangaphandle then obhuli bakho bese bethi umuntu othatha umsebenzi womuntu wangaphandle bona bungathini.
mina-ke le nto ngizotshela guys akekho umuntu wangaphandle uthathe umsebenzi e-South Africa.
Oh yeah.
Why ngisho kanjalo? Niyabona la bantu especially Malawi people.
Yeah.
Abantu bathanda ukuziphantela.
Yeah.
Bomama labo babona bajwelelana yilaba hamba namabhafa ekhanda bathwele kunespinashi
Yeah.
baphathe umbila
Yes, yeah, true,
yonke le nto injalo utomato mhlamba hamba badayisa
true,
ufishi
yeah.
vele
True.
loba hamba
True.
badayisa
True.
athi yabo leyo nto bazama ukuziphantela. So angazi ukuthi uwona umsebenzi wase sawuthathiwa ngazi
Yeah, angithi
angiqonde.
wena ubhola America wena uthanda khona umuntu wa South Africa ongangena kulo msebenzi owenza.
Imaki phela. Kwami manje ngakutshela ukuthi kunamanye amabusha bashota ama-blockmen. It's not all of the butcher they got blockmen.
Yeah.
There's other butcher right now.
Yes, yeah.
They are short blockmen.
Yeah.
Here there's the people they know that job,
Yeah.
but now they are going because the situation is not right.
It's so clear bro. Yeah.
But lento ngiyikhalelayo guys, siyabonga South Africa nalabantu bangakithi bahambayo lento nizokwazi nihlala abanye babo la South Africa bebedla ngabo labantu ngoba sitheke example imjondo lebehlala kuyo most yabantu base South Africa abasebenzi.
Yeah.
They are not working.
Yeah.
So even this foreigner they go, it's not they're gonna get jobs today or tomorrow.
Yeah, true,
right?
true.
They're gonna be suffer because these people they were staying to their Jondo's houses, right?
Yeah.
They was getting
Rents,
something
yes,
a month.
Yeah.
So now they got no job, and these people they are going. The
Yeah.
people who
Yeah.
they were they was getting money from.
Yeah.
What they're gonna do?
Indlala.
And I'm telling you, sooner this country is gonna be like other countries too. The bread they're gonna take maybe 50 rand. They're gonna buy maybe 50 rand this country. There was nothing they can do.
Hayi besiyabonga.
Guys, the economy kusizana ukuba ngcono.
Yeah.
Abantu balaseSouth abantu bangaphandle bebelana yebo mhlambe abathande but ukhona kunye lokube kuzama kusave labantu bangalaseSouth beseveka
Somewhere, yes, yeah, true.
Kodwa manje ngoba sihamba nje kanjena guys. Yeah, siyahamba sizokwenza njani?
Nami nginemqasho.